we are at the beginning of 10 minutes of hell, so skipped all the fun stuff for you. So we're back at Lost Dog. Beautiful day out today. And let's move up to the trail here. There it is, 10 minutes of hell, or you can head up Bridges, which goes that way. Pick those up. That's what we're doing today. So is 10 minutes of hell 10 minutes? And where does 10 minutes of hell actually end? We'll have a debate about that. So I'm gonna record this, we'll time it, and we'll see where we go. All right. I'm not gonna go super all out, but let's see how long 10 minutes of hell takes me. And we're going. Start the clock. This trail gains about 400 feet in a mile. So, and it's got some pretty steep loose sections in it, but we're out. Grand prize here. Make it to the top. Beautiful view up top. So many flowers out, pretty. All right, so that's an access off to Grim Road, or another section of Brujos. I'll have to check, but if you feel like pedaling all the way up here, it's not a bad shortcut back over to Lechuguilla, or the Grim Road actually, from Lechuguilla. Depends what you're out here for. If you've made it this far though, you might as well just go all the way up this thing. Getting chunky. So, case of interest, we've been in the bottom gear. My bottom gear is a 30 by 46, old school, 11 speed tech. Well, you guys got the 50 tooth. Good on you. Ooh. Oh my God. One of the cool parts of this trail is you can actually go above the Trans Mountain road bed for a while. Just pretty cool to be looking down on the cars. Have them looking up at you. Can't see it down there to the left. Oh, I didn't know I was coming here to go mow plants. Jeez. All right. That's the end of the steep grades. As I mentioned earlier, this is Trans Mountain. Goes from east to west, west to east, whatever your flavor is, over the Franklin Mountains. Forms kind of a loop around El Paso. Mainly beneficial for the large military base on the east side. So earlier when I mentioned where it is, 10 minutes of hell actually end. If you check your apps are going to tell you not here. But in my opinion, this is where the climb kind of ends, right at the other side. So choose your timing accordingly. We'll finish what the apps all say, which is basically up here to the Grim Road access point. So out in the distance is South Franklin, and you can probably make out the pass, Smuggler's Pass. The mountain over there is South Franklin, and up top you can see the mammoth, sort of the trunk and everything up there. Okay, if you check your apps, the trail forks and mountain bike projects of the world, I gotta tell you, 10 minutes of hell just ended right here. Right at the state park boundary sign, right across this cute culvert, right back down into the trails. All right, so that was 10 minutes of hell. Let me just think about my time. I cleaned the whole thing, so that's great. But it's not easy, and you know, tell me what you think. Does it end up on the hill, or do you have to climb all the way up the rest of that? So, but thanks for watching this one. I'll try to do more trail series like this one. Probably gonna do Babyhead since it's right next, but we'll see. Thanks.